Hey, it's Cooper, and this is my ideation presentation for the Electronic and Interactive Prototyping Assignment 3. Alright, so for this project, I wanted to do something a little bit different. I've honestly been a little bit fatigued from constantly building stuff that's been strictly practical or to solve real world problems, so especially with Arduino. So instead of chasing utility again, I decided to just do something a little bit unorthodox and go more conceptual with it. So this idea I'm proposing is inspired by Black Mirror, this episode called 15 Million Merits. Basically, in that universe, people earn digital credits by cycling on these stationary bikes, like literal treadmill labor, and they're bombarded with advertisements constantly as well. So basically, if you stop pedaling, you get punished, and if you want to skip an ad even, it costs you money. So yeah, this whole world's pretty messed up, where people are basically trapped in digital consumerism and forced engagement, but it's painted as normal life for these people. So for the project summary, I pretty much just want to turn the bicycle system into a mini interactive system. It will be a simplified version of that treadmill economy, except in this case, you turn a multi-turn potentiometer to simulate the pedaling bike, and then you earn the credits. If you stop interacting with it for a while, you lose credits, and it starts punishing you with buzzers and flashing LEDs. There's also a menu where you can spend the credits, but the options are a little bit redundant. It's kind of like an illusion of choice, which just kind of adds to that dystopian theme. So the flowchart's pretty straightforward. So the device turns on, it detects whether the menu buttons are being pressed, and then the user navigates it. So they would first have to earn the credits. So when the potentiometer is being turned, it'll increase the credit counter on the LCD screen. And if it's not, it'll start a countdown timer. You wait 10 seconds, it'll give you a warning. If you wait a little bit longer, then it will start buzzing and flashing lights until more input is made. Yeah, and then once you've earned 25 credits, you can end the system. So the technical components required would obviously be the Arduino Uno controller, the LCD screen for the feedback interface, a multi-turn potentiometer to simulate the bicycle, the buzzer for the auditory punishment, the LEDs for the punishment as well visually, also acting as a warning, the push buttons to navigate the menu. I've also thought about maybe using an ESP to build upon it and use these different components wirelessly as well, and also to build upon the advertisement aspects of that world. I've thought about using a LCD touchscreen to add entertainment and unskippable ads as well. So yeah, I think that could potentially elevate the system, but I haven't really used that component before, and it's also a little bit dear, so I'm not sure if I'll go that route, but we'll see how we go. But yeah, that's it. Let me know what your thoughts are.